Hi everyone, this is Dave Mulby and I'm going to show you how easy it is to assemble and make adjustments with your CamStand 9HD. You first take the vertical tube and with the black cap on the top, insert the bottom of the tube into the tube receiver on the base. Then with a 7/16 size wrench, tighten the tube receiver so the vertical tube is tight with no slippage. Now you install the camera mounting assembly by clamping it onto the vertical tube. Horizontal adjustments can be accomplished by loosening the thumb screw and sliding the camera mounting assembly. Camera angle adjustments are made by loosening and adjusting the camera mount, then tightening the thumb screw when you reach the desired camera angle. Your camera mounts onto the camera angle bracket. Now you are ready to use your CamStand 9HD.